Here's the easiest way to build credit. Hi, I'm James, an over 50 content creator who was in banking and finance for over 20 years, and now as an entrepreneur, I help people get 1% smarter every day. So, how do I build credit from the ground up? So this is actually specifically good if you have no credit or if you have bad credit and you're trying to reestablish yourself. You want to get what's called a secured credit card. And what that is, it's basically a credit card company, let's say for example, that will give you a $500 credit line. And they may require you to put a $500 cash deposit or let's say $250 cash deposit. And you said, well, how does that help me build my credit? What you need to do is reestablish the fact that you can pay your bills on time or pay bills on time if you've never had credit. And to do that, the banks want to mitigate the risk on how much what's called exposure or how much of the credit line they can potentially lose if you don't pay. So a lot of times they'll start out with 50% of your credit line you pay in cash, and then what happens is over time, as you show that you have what's called a demonstrated payment history, meaning that you charge on your card, you pay it, charge on your card and pay it, or I recommend paying it off. What this will show in your credit report is that you have a pattern of being able to pay your bills, and then ultimately you'll get a higher credit line.